safely. Yeah.
Really?
Besides that.
That's
Oh, shit. I'll give you a win in a second. Fuck. My bad, bro. I didn't mean to fuck up your setup.
Look how soft his shell is in the back.
But he spent the fuck out of my line,
Yeah,
bro.
be careful because their neck is long. They're longer than snapper turtles.
Oh shit, he gonna run.
I knew about snapper soft shell.
Yeah, I got it.
Alright, Kai, move it off there.
Alright,
I like
There
him
you
back
go.
here.
careful.
His
He'll
neck
bite
is long.
Yeah, he'll
Let
bite
him
you.
go. Just let
Let him
him
go, let him go, Joe. Let him go.
Just put him down, Joe.
Joe,
Joe, he has a long neck, bro. Hey, turn around, man. Man, Joe trying to kill me, man.